Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video I'll show you how you can do image generation in ComfyUI. So if you have watched my first video, like the live session I did on ComfyUI, it was about how you can set up ComfyUI on your computer and use it. So once ComfyUI is set up, you can use a lot of different workflows from mentioned over here, and you can do image generation and video generation. So today I'll show you how you can do image generation. Right now what I'm doing is I'm downloading these three models which are required to do image generation. I'll be using a image generation model called as Z Image Turbo. Let's check it out online. Z Image Turbo. So it's a model made by it's a fake name, and let's check out its details first because it will take some time to download this model on your PC. So you can see it's saying 9 minutes left. Then I have to download this too, and I have to download three models, so it will take some time to download it. I can do one thing. I'll download let's cancel this. Cancel and also cancel this. Let's do one thing. Let's check out a template which is easy to download, like which is like the model which is easy to download quick. So let's check out some popular. Go and image edit. I don't wanna download image edit. Flux to Dave. So I need for this. I need four models. LoRa and diffusion. Those anyway. I don't wanna download that one. Image, most popular, and Z image, text to image. Is this the same model? I think so it is. Image, popular. How much? Yeah, I also have to download this many safe tensors. This is a very advanced nodes and prompts, so I won't be using this one. It's very advanced. Close anyway. I want to show you something simple today. So let's see any more models which are over here. Flux to Dave, text to image. Okay, this is a small model. Fuck, this is a 33 GB model. No, 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 I'm not using. Sorry for using bad language, but I'm not using this model. Sorry. Very. Mm, I want to use a small model. I don't know where I'll be able to see a small model, bro. Text to image. What is this? What I have to download from here? 15 GB. This is too much, bro. Can't download this models. Let's do this one only. Can't do anything else than this. Or else. Model size low to high. I'm using image edit, Nano Banana Pro, image edit, text to image. Is this? It needs API, so I won't be able to use this. Image, model size, low to high. Image edit, image quality, text to image, image edit. I don't want to do image edit, bro. Say dream light, text to image. Okay, let's use this one. I hope I'll be able to use this one. I need AI credits for that. No way, man. This is also API. I don't want to use API models. API. Also API. I don't want to use API, so I'm gonna keep checking for a model which we can do directly with image. Okay, let's use SDXL. This is also an amazing image model, which is a bit older, but still a good model. Okay, so these are 6 and 5 GB models. Positive, negative prompt, and base, refiner, and same image. Okay. Okay, let's use this model. This is an advanced model, not an advanced, but I wouldn't say it's an older model, but the nodes, sorry, the nodes here, there are a lot of nodes here, so I'll tell you every single node and what it does, but first we need to install this model. So let's download this. Let's do one thing. Let's copy its URL and download it from Chrome. Which one do I have to download? This one, SCXL base. 1.0 safe. But where should I put this? There's no. It doesn't show where I have to put this. Like, what I mean is, where should I put this model? That's what I mean. Should I just download it from here? So let's see how much time it takes. Okay, so there is a refiner nodes over here. These are for refining the image from here. So this node, okay. So where do you put your prompt? You put your prompts in this text prompt. You write your prompt and let's do one thing. Let's go with a different image model, which is very simple to use or something. I'll cancel this. I think so. I need to make another live video and be prepared about these models rather than doing it right now. I'm completely sorry. This is my fault. I should have been ready with the models. Okay, let's use Flux 1 Schnell FP8 model. I think so it is going to be a small model if I'm not wrong. Or let's go with this model here. Let me check once again. API, 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 API. I don't want to use any models which have API because I won't be able to show you how the nodes work. So it's gonna use. ZLX Turbo. So it is only one model. Let's wait for it to download. It's gonna take some time. So it's gonna download in 12 minutes. So let's wait for it. If I'm not wrong, this model should be moved into checkpoint. If I'm not wrong. Let's save this fine. Image gen. Close anyway, close anyway, close. Close. Okay, so this is our workflow which we have downloaded. Yeah, just today I'll just show you a simple image generation. So I'll use this basic image gen workflow, which has a simple model called as prune only FV16 safe tensor. This is a very basic image generation model, like a very little basic generation model. So I'm going to use this one and I'll show you how you can do image generation on ComfyUI. So as you can see, this is a really simple project and workflow. There are three steps over here. First is loading the model. Second is putting your prompt. Third is generating the image. And once all these three steps are done, it will directly go into a tunnel called as K sampler. This is where all the magic happens in the K sampler. So once it gets all the three steps over here in the KV sampler, it will then load and generate our image in this save image node. It will not directly generate the image. It will once go into VAE decode, and once it's decoded, it will go into the image. And I'll show you how it works. The models are getting downloaded, so give it some time. 2 minutes left, and then I'll show you how you can do this. Let's ask ChatGPT for a simple. Give me a simple cyberpunk kind of image prompt. Okay, this is like a good prompt. I'll use this prompt. A lone hacker in a rain suit. I don't want this kind of a meaning kind of a prompt. I don't a lone hacker. What does this mean, bro? Like use keywords more in the image prompt. Like this. I want something like this. Good shit. Let's wait for the model. It's gonna get downloaded. It's getting downloaded. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna get downloaded, so no worries. Randomize value. I wanna keep this a bit lower or higher. If you keep the CFG higher, it will generate the image very close to the prompt, but the creativity will be diminished. Like the image would be not that good looking or in quality if you keep the CFG high. If you keep the CFG between 7 to 8, the image is going to be as per the prompt, of course, but there is also going to be creativity in the prompt, like in the image. So yeah, keep it as such. Okay, our model has been downloaded. Let's move this model. Let's click copy. I have to move this, so I'll keep it as Control X and go into this PC, see users, survey, documents, ComfyUI, and in ComfyUI, I have to go into checkpoints, models, checkpoints, and paste it here. Once it's pasted in, I have to just close anyway, and once again. Okay, so now our model has been downloaded. There is no red error in our model. Let's give the prompt to. Let's go here, give the prompt, and let's click on run. Look at the image. This is how you can do image generation in ComfyUI. As I said before, this is a very basic model. That's why the image which has been outputted is not that good, I would say. So you can also change the height and width. Let's keep it 1920 to 1080, and let's click on generating once again. It's taking a bit of time in case sampler because I try to generate a high quality image now. So here is our image. Look at it, it looks so good. There are a lot of mid links looking same as it is, but it's good, I would say. But it's very confusing to look at because the image generation model which I use over here is a very basic one. That's why the image generated would be not that accurate. It would be accurate, but it would not be as high in quality, and it would not be as high in, you would say, like a good image. Because tomorrow I'll show you image generation using flux models, and flux models are state of the art models. Sorry, not tomorrow, next Sunday, like the next week, I'll show you amazing image generations done by amazing models. So one thing is important over here. If you want to generate image, you should be able to figure out which image model you should use, because there are different types of image models for different types of purposes. If you want to create a portrait of a person, you should use a model called as flux dev model, because those models are very amazing and accurate in providing higher quality portrait images of people. So there are different types of image model for different types of purposes. So the model which I'm using right now is very basic. I would suggest you not to use this. Today I just wanted to show you how you can do image generation, and that's why I just use a basic model, because it was taking a lot of time for me to download very big models. So next week, next Sunday, I will do my preparation and download all the big models needed for us to do high quality image generation next week. Let's give one more prompt and try to do uh give me one more prompt, something like in nature. Let's see what it does with this. So here's our image. It got, so this is our image. It looks very, I don't know how to say it, but it looks like a cyberpunk forest, but it's really not that good. Like you can see the clarity of the image is okay, but the it didn't adhere to the prompt. Like let's lower the CFG to 7.7 and let's run it once again. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to show you a basic image generation in ComfyUI, and next week I'll show you some high-end models, image generation models, which are really good and it provide amazing high quality images once generated. So next week I'll use models such as Flux and some other models too, which are really good and provide high quality image generations. I'm extremely sorry I was not prepared today to show you good image generation models because it was taking a lot of time to download those models. Those models were like 10, 16 GB models, and it would take a lot of time to download those. So next week I would be prepared. I would download the models before I do the live session itself. So I'll wrap up this video over here. This is how you can do image generation. So the main nodes here are this load model node and then the prompt node, and also the image size node, so that you can change the resolution of the image. So thanks for watching this live session. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye.